need to finish now after 3 to 4 days raining to finish this project. First, clean rugs, then 50 grit, piligan smoke. Okay. Using 50 grit. You need to circulate so become all the part is become flat. Yeah. Okay. Become flat and level the pillar as is. With a favorite shape. So wipe again. Okay. It's clean now. Now we put a continuation of the wheelhouse problem. So guys, we need to put a primer paint. To cover the fiber and the pillar. Okay, just wait a sec. For how many minutes? 5 minutes, 10 minutes to finish this project. Okay, so this is I give to you a tip, and then you avoid this. So become looks good, flat. You cannot see the other paint. Okay, we wait a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes to dry. Okay.